Hello everyone, I am Bhavneet and I've just completed my RYT 200 from Bodhi. And the past 2 months have been such an experience, it's been such a learning. When I was looking for online yoga courses, I was really speculative if we can learn yoga online or not. But then that went away in the couple of initial days because I thought that yoga asanas they require proper alignment correction which probably needs the physical presence of a teacher, but then the instructions given by the teachers were so crisp and clear that we could get into the asana, the perfect alignment of the asana, by ourselves. Also they would instruct them so well that we did it without any problem. And the second thing that I was doubtful about was since I have been doing yoga from quite some time now, and I had done a course, a foundation course in yoga before joining the RYT. So I thought, would there be anything new coming my way? Anything apart from what I've already known or learned? But since yoga is such a vast science, I have learned so many new things every day, and all thanks to the teachers who taught the allied subjects like anatomy and physio, uh, Sujana ma'am, Abhimitra sir, and Janardhan sir, Ina ma'am. They were so patient while teaching the asanas. They instructed and demonstrated asanas so well that the learning became a different experience altogether. Also, when I was thinking about pursuing yoga, starting a course in yoga, I had only 5 a.m. slot available because then I was working and doing some other things. Uh, Everybody suggested me to not to go for it because it'll be extra burden, it'll be tiring, you'll start with the exercise. But not even for a single day I felt that I was doing something additional, something that was tiring me. Instead, it helped me get better concentration, and I was focused. I would complete my work even before time after I was doing yoga. So yes, everybody who's looking forward to do yoga teachers training or pursue yoga as a career, I would highly recommend Bodhi to them. And yes, I would recommend it to them.